Financial freedom is about being able to travel anywhere you like, anywhere in the world, shop anytime you want, spend as much money as you want without thinking about the bank account, and having your business going with you anywhere, like location freedom, right? And you can only do that with a digital business. And the digital business that I recommend, always selling a digital product that people want. And what do people want? If you ask me, what is the hottest niche online today that millions of people are looking for, is how to make money online. They don't know how to make money online. And that's the product that you need to sell. Okay? That's digital coaching program that is 100% profit, that pays you $900 per sale. It's all done for you. That's what you need to be in, my friend. But I tried affiliate marketing. It pays you only 40 to 50% commissions. This is 100% commissions, okay? And everything is done for you. Now, if you want to work with me directly, because I've been doing this for a long time and I've earned over 6 figures online, and I've been traveling to more than 50 cities so far, and I know what I'm doing. So basically, you want to work with someone who knows what he's doing. So I can set up the whole thing for you. That's my extra bonus right now. I'm actually offering a $5,000 bonus, which I set up the whole business for you. So you can be up and running within 72 hours, making you money, $900 per sale, 100% profit, without any setup. I mean, without any technical setup. I will do the whole thing for you. The product is done for you. The marketing system is done for you. And the promotion, which is mine, I've already done that for you too. So go ahead to, if you want to learn more about that, go to freedomadam.com. Okay, I will put it here on the screen. Freedomadam.com. It's going to be right there somewhere on the screen. And just, watch my webinar. I have a free webinar that breaks down everything for you. And I've done most of the research online. Believe me, if there is anything better out there today than selling digital product that pays you 100%, please let me know. I don't think so. Okay, so we got an amazing community. As of this recording, we have 53,000 members worldwide. Amazing community, live coaching every day. The digital product is already done for you. I will set up the whole thing for you. Okay, so you don't even have to worry about that. So pretty much, like, I would say like 90% of the work is already done for you. And you get to work only 2 hours a day. Okay, so this is what I will be asking you to work 2 hours a day. That's what I do. I do 2 hours a day. What do I do in those 2 hours? I shoot videos like this. That's it. Simple as that. And I shoot valuable video for people who wants to learn more about online marketing. That's what I do. 2 hours a day. And I do only 3 to 4 days a week. And I earn my 6 figures on complete autopilot. I mean, I've done over 6 figures between 24 and 25, 2024 and 2025 right now. And this summer is very hot. Trust me. Get in now, because people are dying to get online business. And you can position yourself right in front of them, selling a hot digital product. Okay? With that being said, just go to freedomadam.com on the screen. You can see it here somewhere. freedomadam.com. Watch my webinar, contact me, and we set up a Zoom call, and we'll just take it from there. You can ask me any questions you want. There is no, I mean, it's not a selling call. It's not a selling call. It's like questions and answers. Ask me, Adam, how do you do it? What is a digital product? Ask me all these questions. But the webinar is going to break it down for you. Believe me, you won't have any questions. But just watch the webinar and contact me so we can get you up and running. It's very, very affordable business. Trust me. I was in the restaurant business for 7 years. It won't cost you $200,000, $300,000. This is less than $1,000 business, and it brings you 6 figures online. Imagine that. Okay, so let me show you all this beautiful view right there. See that? See that? Subscribe to this channel. My channel is not boring. It's not really about just online marketing, although I break down everything in certain videos. It is more about lifestyle. Okay, it's about, simple. It's about freedom. It's about freedom, and this is what I preach. I actually live what I preach. It's not like I'm bullshitting. I just traveled from California to Dallas, from Dallas to Canada, from Canada to Spain, to Morocco. Now I'm in Istanbul. I'm heading back to Morocco. to my apartment there, and then from there I'm probably will be visiting Spain or Portugal soon. But this is my summer, and my business is going with me wherever I go, and that's what you need, my friend. Okay, that's what you need. So make sure to subscribe to the channel. So make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and put your question in the comment box there. I will answer you, and watch my webinar, on freedomadam.com. Okay, and I will see you on the other side. Take care for now. Okay, I hope you have a great summer. Bye bye for now.